Hello boys and girls, today I want to give you a good look at the two new Olights. Came out in 2023, end of 2023. So Seeker 4, this one is Pro, Seeker 4 Pro, and this is the Seeker 4 Mini. The light is obviously much smaller, comes with a custom battery, 1200 lumens. Battery indicator right here. As you can see that it's yellow, so it's probably below 75%. Also, when you double click, it goes into UV mode, so really interesting for those that like to check money and stuff. It's really useful feature. The light looks kind of like the big brother or the small brother. The new Seeker 4 Pro has a new button that is really nice. I don't know if you can tell, but the light lights up when you spin the wheel or spin the button. So it shows the battery on this side and the power mode, level mode on this side. It's new 4600 lumens, pushing a lot of power from this battery. Is not really new, but it's a 5000 milliamp 3.6 volt 21700. Really like that the size of this light is really nice and compact, and it outputs so much power. This is really nice. I'm really liking this. Perfect for camping, perfect for hiking. We had situation that I've been hiking, and I had to go back, and I lots of times need lots of power just to see what's far, what's ahead, what's in the forest. And this is a nice EDC light, probably for someone who likes smaller ones. It has a custom 18350 battery with 1100 milliamps. So this one is basically double the milliamps than your Olight Baton Mini. But Baton Mini is actually much smaller as well. So I don't know if someone would want to EDC something like this. I would probably do it because I don't really mind the size, but I probably like to go with the smaller. My EDC for today actually is a arc field. Really like this light because it's much thinner light, much thinner, although it's a little bit longer. But then when you look at the back magnets, so it is thinner actually, yeah. But overall, really like the way this thing looks. This looks like a I don't know, just the way it looks makes me really enjoy this light. So for you guys that like to try one of the smaller ones, this one is really great light. Really nice output power. So on turbo it stays for 3 minutes, and then it drops down to 600 lumens for 41 minutes, and then it drops to 120 lumens for 25 minutes, and it throws 120 meters on turbo, high 85, medium 38, low 14, and moonlight is only like 4 meters with 2 lumens. So this thing does in the low setting 2 lumens. I really like this because I use it a lot at night. 5 lumens usually, so this one comes in 5 lumens, which is really nice to make 5 lumens out of such a big powerful bulbs. It's not that easy, but the less bulbs it's easier to make also. So yeah, and it also stays, if you turn this thing on for 2 at 2 lumens, stays for 12 days. And this is a new Olight light. Really like the way it looks. Again, Seeker 4 Mini. And the big one, really like it a lot for even home stuff. Fits nice in the hand. Really good rubber grip. And this one has a 260 M, 460 lumens, 260 meters throw probably. Yeah. And this one also comes in a, I don't know, case, a charger, a carrier, so you can charge the light at the same time you can carry the light. Just overall really beautiful white color, actually really beautiful color. There you go, guys. I really like it and enjoyed both of those lights. I didn't get them for free, so I'll leave you my thoughts on it. Peace.